Hey there, I'm getting a heater maybe dry error on my beachcomber 578. I've just installed a new Balboa circuit and wondering how to fix this error. Thanks. File attached, SCP-44VM.
Hello. My name is I am here to assist. Sorry to hear you are having trouble with your spa. I think we can quickly fix this. This error code is sensing that the heater tube is dry. First check that all the slide valves are open. I see 3 in the picture that appear to be open. This also sometimes happens from airlock. Have you recently drained and refilled the spa? This can sometimes cause airlock. You can fix airlock by loosening one of the unions on the heater tube to bleed any air out. Do this until water flows out. Last, it could be the flow sensor is bad and not detecting water. I would also turn off power to the breaker to reset the spa after doing the above to clear the error code.
Thanks a million, Josh. I did recently refill and taken out the pump, so it could be an airlock. I'll take a look through unions. If it is the flow sensor, how can that be fixed?
Probably is airlock. The black unions that connect to the heater tube is where you want to bleed the air. This commonly happens when refilling a spa. To avoid this in the future, when refilling the spa, remove the filter from the skimmer and put the hose in there directly in the plumbing. This pushes all the air out of the system. If you put hose just in spa body, it may get airlock. The flow sensor is located inside the black box. It goes directly into the heater tube and is easily replaced. Let me know if I can further assist with your question, and thank you for using JustAnswer. Have a great weekend.
Okay, cool. I'll loosen them and see, and hopefully it releases the airlock. I did actually fill it through the skimmer. For the sensor, it's a brand new box, so it shouldn't need to be replaced in case. Will hopefully anyway. Hey Josh. I have checked all of the unions, loosened and tightened them, and still getting the heater maybe dry error. Any ideas?
When you loosen the unions, did water flow out? Water needs to come out to break the airlock.
Yep, water came out of all of them.
It may be the flow sensor then that is located on the heater pipe. First, be sure to turn off all power to the spa. Then you can open black box and look for any damage to wires on the sensor or boards.
It's a brand new board, so I don't see any damage there. Could it be these wires are in the wrong order? File attached, LSQZP4T. File attached, 7GVQ-ppm.
Those are the high voltage wires for pump. If spa was working previously, then not an issue there. After you loosened unions, did you turn off power to spa and then start it again to clear error code?
I did. I tried it a few times. No luck, unfortunately.
Sorry for delay. Okay, just to back check, we have covered everything here. The filter has been cleaned. The pump motor is running. There is sufficient water in the tub. When the tub starts, it sucks down water. We call this water in motion, so check that the tub has enough water.
Nothing really seems to be starting, so no suction yet, and the pump doesn't seem to be kicking in either. I assumed this was due to the heater error.
When you power cycle the spa by turning off at the breaker, the error code does not clear and the pump start.
It sounds like they are trying to start, but they turn on for maybe a few seconds and then turn off. This is when the error code kicks in.
Pressing any button on top side remote should reset. Is this not working? There is also air bleed valves directly on the pump. In front of pump on suction side. You can try opening these to again ensure that water is entering the pumps. If all slide valves are open, there is enough water in spa so that skimmer is not going dry, no obstructions in skimmer and filter installed correctly, and all lines have been bleed to ensure no air lock, then I am unable to determine issue if same error message continues. I can open this question back up to another expert to help answer if you like.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.